Good evening, everybody. November 21st, 2021. Bitcoin is doing some pretty typical Sunday action here. We had a dump pretty much after the open of the new week and earlier in the day. So I mean, at this point in time, these were my two lines to keep an eye on, right? This top one, 60.8K. Above that really leans in favor of this bullish move. And then this line here, 57.3 or so. Below that leans towards going down for this fifth wave down instead. Right now, it's just kind of hovering around this line. It is possible that this is simply resetting. We may have gotten here in the bullish scenario an A high B, and then a low C like this and an expanded flat correction. That is conceivable. That is what has just happened, and that's going to be the explanation if we go up from here. So I'm not saying that we're for sure at this point going down to this level simply because we wicked down below this. However, if we have a sustained break, tomorrow morning, if we're still below this level, then I'm going to say, yeah, you know what, we're probably coming down here. But at the moment, if it just comes up from here, it doesn't go any lower, it still has a chance to play out with this bullish scenario here. So, this line, we kind of need to keep an eye on this level basically as a level to look at a sustained break of. And same for this, we really need to see a sustained break above 60.8, having a wick above it and then coming back down. That doesn't do enough for us in either scenario. So that's pretty much the update for tonight. I still don't really have an answer as to whether we're short-term coming down here or short-term going up. Like I said, unless this breaks down a little bit harder and in a more sustained fashion. So, and especially because this is happening on a Sunday night, it's a little bit suspicious. A lot of times what happens after the week opens on a Sunday night is reversed in the overnight trading session. So we will have to see what we get in the morning. But again, I haven't really been taking any trades, short-term trades in this area at all. So it doesn't really matter to me one way or the other what it does, to be perfectly honest. I'm still just sitting in my spot buys and waiting for a more clear setup again before I do anything more short term. All right, I think that pretty much sums it up. So good night, and we'll see where we are in the morning.